Good morning, friends. It's around 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. I'm at the parking lot of the McAfee Knob Trailhead, and this is what I wanted to do for almost 1 year now. At last, I got the opportunity of doing this beautiful hike. It's on the Appalachian Trail in Virginia. It's the most photographed spot on the Appalachian Trail. So this is on Mount Catawba, and it's around 3,200 feet elevation. I hope to do it in the entire 8 miles in 4 hours. The new parking lot. We have more cars. You can park much more on the over the highway. It's very safe now. Hey friends, I'm at the start of the trail now. The McAfee Knob. You have 2 ways to go to the summit. You can take the Fire Road or you can take the Appalachian Trail. I'm going to take the Appalachian Trail. It's a more challenging route, and I'll come down by the Fire Road. That's how I'm going to take it. So I'm going to go right. Right, and that is the Fire Road. This is the Appalachian Trail. I'm going to take the Appalachian Trail. Take care, guys. Bye. Now it's going to the Appalachian Trail. It's going to become steep. It's going to be very steep now. Have a look at it. It's going to be elevation gain. It's going to be very fast on the Appalachian Trail to the McAfee Knob. You can call it McAfee or McAfee, whatever you wish. Okay, and it's the most photographed spot on the Appalachian Trail. Great. This is the second time I'm on the 80. The first time was in New Jersey when I was doing the Stairways to Heaven. That was a great experience for me, and let's see how this one goes. Yeah, friends, not in very good physical condition because it's been almost 1 year that I have not been on trails after my shoulder surgery. This is the first big hike that I'm taking, and let's see how it goes. Yeah, it's not such a tough hike for me, but I don't know because it's almost a year that I'm out on the trails again, and it's an 8 mile hike, round trip to the McAfee Knob, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Yeah, I wanted to do this for a very long time. Almost 1 year I was planning to do this, but just did not find the time. Sometimes you just have to do it, you know. You just have to push yourself and do what you have to do. Because for me, tomorrow never comes. What I got to do today. To walk in the woods on these remote trails, all in isolation, is one of the beautiful things the mind requires. It's like meditation, you know. It's fantastic. Words cannot describe the feeling in these mountains, especially in autumn, fall, when the leaves are all gold in color. It's just amazing, amazing. A thought came to my mind just now. Just wondering how many thousands and thousands of people must have gone through this Appalachian Trail through the years. I think it's been around 100 plus years that people have been taking this route, a through trek from Georgia to Maine, close to 3,000 plus miles. Awesome, awesome. Just the thought came to mind. How many people must have come on this trail? The lives they must have led after that. But one thing I know, that whoever has done a through trek on the Appalachian Trail, it must have been a life-changing experience. I wish I could do it, but I'm too old for that now. At 66, 67, I just can't. I think so I will not be able to do the through trek from Georgia to Maine. It's tough, it's very tough. Yeah, I can do section hiking, bits and pieces. I can do, say, from Virginia to New Jersey, then New Jersey to New York to Vermont to Maine, something like that. Yeah, I could do that. Yeah, I wish I was more physically fit to do this. At the first shelter on the 80 towards mcafee Knob. It's beautiful. It's a 2-night camping limit over here. It's not bad. It's clean and it's nice. It has a restroom too. It's a beautiful place, you know, guys. Yeah. Many people ask me, why do I hike alone? You know, there's something in hiking alone is you're to yourself. Many thoughts come to mind, and you tend to be speaking to yourself, you know. And you're not alone, you know. Actually, your thoughts are with you, and the beautiful trees, they tend to speak to you. Don't get me wrong, I'm not nuts, but they do speak to you. They send messages to you which are deep down there. You just got to feel it. You just got to feel it, guys. Take care. Wow. Yeah. So you want to do hike on the Appalachian? You have these rest areas or whatever you call them. So you can either put your tent outside, or you can just put a sleeping bag in there and sleep off the night.